Navigate to Product Badges. Go to the Sale Pop-up tab. Click Add New to create a new sale pop-up. Set a name for the pop-up. Choose a template that fits your design. Go to the General tab. Enable the loop pop-up option. Select all products or choose specific products. Set the display range to show orders from the last 100 days. Adjust the pop-up display duration to 8 seconds. Change the pop-up position for desktop view. Link the pop-up to the product page. Enable the Buy button for quick purchases. Navigate to the Colors tab to customize the sale pop-up colors and align them with your store's theme. Go to the Theme and Styles tab. Change the pop-up image to either a product image or avatar. Adjust the top message font size. Customize the top and bottom message fonts. Choose an animation effect to enhance visibility. Go to the Targeting tab. Select all pages or specific pages where the pop-up should appear. Click Save to apply your changes. Display sale pop-up. Navigate to Product Badges. Go to the Sales pop-up tab. Click Add New to create a new sales pop-up. Enter a name for your pop-up. Choose a template that fits your design. Go to the Content tab. Modify the top message text to personalize the notification. Switch to the General tab. Select all products. Enable group text for multiple orders for better readability. Adjust the pop-up position on desktop for optimal placement. Go to the Theme and Styles tab. Select Product Image. Choose an animation effect for better visibility. Navigate to the Targeting tab. Set the pop-up to appear on the product page. Set the value to Yes. Click Save to apply your settings. Visit the product page to view the sale pop-up. Display sale pop-up. Navigate to Product Badges. Navigate to the Sale pop-up tab. Click on Add New to create a new sale pop-up. Enter a name for your pop-up. Choose a template that fits your design. Navigate to the General tab. Enable Loop pop-up for continuous display. Choose whether to show or hide the close icon. Select Products. Select Included. Choose Polo. Go to the Colors tab. Change the background color with options for both solid and gradient styles. Navigate to the Theme and Styles tab. Modify the font size. Apply an animation effect, such as setting it to Fade. Navigate to the Targeting tab. Select All Pages to show the pop-up site-wide. Click Save to apply your changes. Display sale pop-up. Navigate to the Sales pop-up tab. Click on the pop-up you want to edit. Navigate to the General tab. Change the mobile position to top. Click Save to apply your changes. The sale pop-up will now appear at the top on mobile devices. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or badge and product label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Product Badges. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Navigate to the Pro version tab. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.